Welcome to FXstreet Currencies in Play, brought to you by Royal Financial Trading. Busy day so far this morning with the currencies rather volatile. Let's have a look at the headlines. Euro-dollar has rebounded from 23.6% Fibonacci retracement of its recent rally. We'll be looking at that in a second. Sterling yen jumps to four-day high, flirts with the psychological figure of 142. And then dollar yen better bid above 111 yen. Looking at the euro, it seems to be buffeted by the forthcoming speech by Draghi, which we'll look into in a minute or so, but spiked up through 112. Didn't like it there too much and has come back down towards the 111.80 zone, but support towards 111.60 perhaps for later in the day for that particular market. As far as cable is concerned, which we'll be looking at as a trade in a minute, we've also got the situation where there's been a spike higher followed by a dip to test support. 127 looks to be capping any losses at the moment, and we're back in the middle of the range for that particular market. On to also the Australian dollar. There's also been, given there's been a bit of movement in the in gold and silver this morning, seen the Aussie dollar dip along with that, but seems to be a bit of a revival there from the 75.65 area. Moving along to the trade of the day, which focuses, as promised, on cable. Pound dollar broke ascending channel on the hourly chart, which is a bearish signal. Go short at the market price, take profit around 126.40 down to 126.20, and exit on a move above 127.50, which, as we've seen, has been quite persistent resistance for this market since the middle of last week. Going on to the trading positions, 50-50 in euro dollar and pound dollar, as well as dollar yen, very short of dollar Swiss, and going quite long of dollar Canadian. In fact, that's been one of the most, let's say, compelling moves that we've had of the recent past. Currently around the 132.37 level on dollar Canadian. No support really there until 132.10.20, so keep an eye on that. For the Aussie dollar, as I was mentioning, 60-40 there on the ratio. For the economic calendar, we've got the durable goods orders for May and also transportation, as well as Draghi's speech coming along at 5:30 this afternoon. That's it for today's FXstreet Currencies in Play, brought to you by Royal Financial Trading. Join us at the same time tomorrow.